Alright, well, I got a little puddle going here. This barn leaks, especially right in this area, so it all probably just comes over here. Anyways, I just wanted to make a little video. I've been doing a lot of contemplating. You can kind of see the darker blue that it is now. Thinking of going a lighter blue, actually. We've got some spider webs going on here. Thinking of going a lighter blue. Something more fun. I don't know, what you think? Let me know. But I don't know. Another decision, so like I just think it would be fun in a lighter blue. Obviously inside's gonna be a black bed liner. Outside, I'm either gonna keep this same blue or make it a bright, like the lighter blue that you see Jeeps. Her name is Blue, so I gotta keep her a shade of blue at least, you know. But I thought maybe like a lighter blue would be more fun. The other decision that I've been thinking about is all these panels, like replacing them. I can do it. It'll save me time if I just get off all the nasty rust, POR 15 it, and put armor on it. And that would cover the holes. I don't know. All you Jeep enthusiasts may have a problem with leaving holes in it. I don't know. Obviously the armor that I'll choose is going to be probably something a little more permanent. But yeah. So I got these rust spots here. Now I'm having a devil of a time getting these screws out. I probably used like something on it to keep it in from coming out, but if I can't get those screws on it, it's going to be or out of it, it's going to be an issue. And I have no idea what it looks like as far as where these are mounted, because there's two shelves on the inside here where these are bolted into, except for these top ones. These top ones come across right here, but the bottom one has this shelf, so I don't know how badly rusted it is back there. Another thing I was thinking about, I've been up since 4 in the morning, so I've been thinking about this, is where these are mounted right here. I don't know. I think you guys can see it, but where the body mounts to the back corner right here, I don't know how well this is in the body. So that's something I've been thinking about. The frame looks good. It's just this right here. This I'm not too concerned with. I think I can grind that down, even it out, make it look good. If you look at the back plate on my dad's Jeep down here, see his is really bad back here. Like he's got the same holes going on here, and then his tailgate sucks. Does it get, no, it's not locked. But the back plate's not too bad. It's rusting. Got a hole right here, but his tailgate is definitely rusting. Well, he put it. Those are not factory hinges. I did know he replaced them, but I didn't know he replaced them with something better than factory. I'm gonna have to ask him where he got them from. It's got the start of decay in there, but I don't know. See his, yeah, see he doesn't have, you know, it's pretty rusted in the corner there. See, mine isn't rusting right there. The fender's no biggie. Yeah, here's where he's having issues on this side. It's a huge issue, but it's drivable. His issue mainly is that this frame is screwed. Could be fixed, I think, but you know. I don't know, what do you think about this back panel and these holes? Should I just, like this one's, it looks like it's a little dented, maybe bumped into something, but it's also got like a rust hole right here. I don't know. Is it really worth welding a body part just for, you know, even though if I'm going to armor it, what's the point, is what I'm saying. You know, why spend all that extra time and effort and money? This one, actually the corner looks pretty good. It's not too bad. I could probably grind that down. It's probably okay. But yeah, I don't know. Yeah, see, this is rusted all the way to the corner. This whole corner right there is shot in the middle of the tub. I don't know. Definitely have to do some. Here, hold on. Let me get the light. Sorry, my chickens are going crazy. Yeah, definitely gonna have to do a new driver, side pan, and body mount brace down there. I think I showed it in the last video. Let's see if I can hang this up somewhere. I showed it in the last video of just, that's not supposed to be one piece going across. Having the same issue, not as devastating on that side, but same issue on this side. Floor needs to be replaced, and also this brace. I don't know if I need to replace it all the way across. Once I get the tub off, I'll be able to see it more, but you get like from here on back, and there's like no rust back here, which amazes me, you know. But it is what it is, you know. So yeah, even coming up here, it's got a little rust, not too bad. So the pan will come, when I order the pan, it'll come to about right here. So that'll be an easy insert and get all this dashboard and stuff out of the way, so it's easier to get to. I want to do a detailed video of all these lines that are being run or that are running. Now I'm going to do a detailed video on removing this stuff. Okay, I've been scouring YouTube on, because I don't want to remove the engine and the transmission yet, but I may have to. So let me bring the light over. So I've been scouring it on how to remove the body with this stuff right here. There's nothing that shows. Plenty of videos where they remove it, and they leave the engine and transmission in place, but they never show what they do in here. And so I'm going to see how it goes, experiment with that. Alright, so if any of y'all got any tips, let me know. So, but yeah. Anyways, I just wanted to make a short, quick little video. I'll probably do some work I know I said I was going to do the dashboard next, but I bought something that I'm going to try to get these bolts out right here in the tailgate. Because they are seized in there. So, but anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys. Actually, it should be not too long after this video. I should post another video if I'm going to do it today. So I'll talk to you guys next time.